In this lesson, I want to show you how to add a YouTube video to your blog post or to really any page on your WordPress website. This is also another opportunity for me to tell you an easy way to edit posts or pages. If you're logged into your WordPress account and you go to the page or the blog article that you would like to edit, just go up to this Edit Post button. It's going to take you to the post editor. Cool, so now let's learn how to add a YouTube video. Go to the YouTube video, and this is similar if you're wanting to embed a Vimeo video or really any other video platform that has a sharing embed code. On YouTube, to get the embed code, go under the video where it says share, click that button. Then say embed. Now it gives you a standard embed code, but I want to show more so that we can see our different options. First, you have your video size. If you know a specific size, you can click this drop-down menu and then type in a custom size, or you can use one of the preset options. Let's just try this 853 by 480 to see what it looks like. Then you have options to show suggested videos at the end of the video. You have showing player controls, which are going to be the play button down here, the volume, making it full screen, changing the resolution. I typically like to leave that on for my blog post videos. Show video title and player actions. So this one I might turn off because it looks just a little bit cleaner. It takes off this top text right here. Depending on the title of your video, if it looks distracting, I might just take that off. If you don't check this Enable Privacy Enhanced mode, then Google is actually seeing who visits your web page where this video is embedded. So I suggest checking it on so that your users have a little bit more privacy. Cool, so once you have all of your settings selected, you can go up to this code, select it all by pressing Command A or Control A if you're on a PC, and copying it. So now if I just go ahead and underneath this wood glue text, just paste this isn't going to do anything. If I preview changes, it's just going to show up as this random text right here. But what I want to do is go into my text editor and not the visual editor and find where I want to add this. So let's just do it at the very bottom. So I'll just enter twice and then paste this. And then if I go back to the visual editor, you'll see that now this HTML code shows up as the video. So if I preview changes, go back to this post and refresh, our video now appears. What happens though is getting cut off on the right-hand side because this is a little bit too large of a video embed. So what we can do is go back here and we can change the video size. So say we want to try this one, 640 by 360. We can either recopy this whole line of text and paste it, or we can go into the text editor and change the width and height ourselves from the width to 640 and the height to 360. Now if we preview changes, refresh, looks like we have to refresh for some reason. Now we have our video embed and it looks solid. And if we click this, it'll start playing our video right on our blog post. So now with this article, I would want to add more text so that the layout doesn't look as funky with the image right up against the video. One thing we could do is just simply adding some spaces. Typically though, I'd be adding a lot more text to this. I want to make sure that I have at least 300 words in all of my articles, if not even more, because this will increase the value for the visitor, but also it will increase the chance that search engines will see our posts and point people to this post in the search results. So that's how you add a YouTube video to your WordPress blog article or pages.